So what's actually happening inside your cells when you take Nichido Plus? Well, we know that even after your first few servings of Nichido Plus, your NAD will begin to increase. In our clinical trial, cellular NAD levels were significantly increased in just 7 days of taking the supplement. Your cells will respond by immediately beginning to use this extra NAD to not only enhance energy production in the mitochondria, but also to support the maintenance and repair of the mitochondria, which prevents them from becoming dysfunctional, which is a key driver of cellular aging. Now, this increase in energy is unlike the buzz experienced from stimulants such as coffee. This is a much more sustained energy boost, as Nichido Plus is actually restoring natural energy production at the cellular level. Some customers feel notable improvements in mental health and physical energy very quickly. And for others, the improvements are more gradual and subtle. And generally, those people that seem to experience the most immediate improvements are those people with the most depleted NAD in the first place. So as you continue to take Nichido Plus, your NAD levels will continue to rise over the weeks. This increased availability of NAD will help switch on cellular repair pathways to repair any cellular damage that's accumulated due to NAD deficiency that is built up over the years. Nichido Plus works very differently to many other NAD boosters because it's actually designed to fix the root causes of NAD decline and to restore youthful NAD production. So scientists now agree that one of the major causes of NAD decline as we get older is because a key pathway within our cells called the salvage pathway that actually makes and recycles all of our NAD naturally declines with age. Now, the reason it declines is because the key rate-limiting enzyme in this pathway, which is an enzyme called NAMPT, declines as we get older, which means our cells can't efficiently make and recycle NAD like they did when they were younger. Nichido Plus is designed to switch back on this NAMPT enzyme to restore youthful NAD production and recycling. And you can see that in our clinical trial, cellular levels of the NAMPT enzyme were increased in the participants of the clinical trial after only 28 days. This means that your cells can now use and recycle NAD with youthful efficiency. This can be felt as an increase in mental and physical energy. We notice better sleep, reduced brain fog, increased strength and stamina. We see improvements in skin health and also an improved ability to recover from illness. After 28 days, Nichido Plus was also found to reduce levels of inflammation. We know that inflammation is a key driver of the aging process, and we demonstrated that Nichido Plus is actually suppressing some of this age-related inflammation. Another notable benefit that may not be immediately visible on the outside is a reduction in your biological age. This is the rate at which your cells are aging on the inside. And this is because NAD is known to positively impact all of the hallmarks of aging, which are the root causes that are underlying or driving the aging process at the cellular level. And in our clinical study, Nichido Plus was found to reduce biological age by an average of 1.26 years after only 28 days of supplementation. Now, this was measured using the GlycanAge biological age test, which is available as a consumer kit, allowing you to test the effect of Nichido Plus on your own biological age. And although biological age is not something that we generally feel, studies have shown that it is a good predictor of how well you are aging and how healthy you are likely to be in the future. NAD boosting in general should be seen as a long-term investment in your cellular health. Everything to do with aging ultimately starts at the cellular level. So it's important to ensure that your cells stay in good health. And even in those people who do not see an immediate benefit or feel an immediate benefit, what we do find is that through continued use, as you continue to enhance your NAD levels and improve your cellular health, energy and repair will actually start to be directed towards more non-essential parts of our body, such as our hair, skin, and nails. And many people report better hair and nail growth in terms of both quality, maybe less grays, and improved skin glow and youthfulness. So overall, improving your NAD levels and cellular health with Nutrido Time Plus is a long-term strategy for aging well. We recommend that you take the capsules with food. We advise taking the first 3 capsules with the first meal that you have in the day, and the second 3 capsules with your second meal, although you can actually adjust this to fit with your own eating schedule. So if you're fasting, you can actually take all of the tablets in one go, and it won't affect the efficacy. We also just recommend checking with a doctor before starting any supplements, and also just avoid taking any other supplements that have high doses of the same ingredients. The sort of primary outcome was, does this product actually boost NAD? And we found that after just 7 days of taking the product, it significantly increased NAD, and this continued to rise. We tested up to 28 days, but we're now doing some longer studies to see what happens on a longer term scale. So that was great that it did increase NAD. But the thing that we were really interested in was, are we actually fixing the root causes of NAD decline? And this is not just an effect of the precursors. So we actually measured levels of that key NAMPT enzyme and demonstrated that after 28 days supplementation, the levels of this enzyme were significantly increased in all the volunteers, obviously compared to placebo.